Hello everyone, welcome back to Urav Academy. In today's lecture, we will study dimension and dimensional analysis, an important topic for SSC, JEE, GATE, and RRB JEE. Let's see what is the dimension. A dimension is the power to which the fundamental quantities like mass, length, time, etc. are raised to represent a physical quantity. Let's see an example. Velocity is equal to distance by time. So distance is basically it is length, it's denoted to the L. Here mass is equal to 0 and for time T. So we can write this mass 0 L1 T inverse 1. So for this velocity their dimension is m0 L1 T minus 1. Here fundamental dimensions, quantity for their symbol. For mass is m, length for L, time for T, temperature for theta, electric current for I, amount of substance for N, luminous intensity for J. Here some dimensional formula like velocity, distance by time, their dimension is m0 L1 T minus 1. Accelerations is equal to velocity by time, for their dimensions is equal to m0 L1 T minus 2. Force, here mass into accelerations ml T minus 2. Work is equal to force into distance ml square T minus 2. Power, work by time ml square T minus 3. For pressure, force, area ml minus 1 T minus 2. We know force is equal to mass into acceleration, and also acceleration is equal to velocity by time, and again we broke it. Velocity is equal to distance by time, and here this is also lower part of time. So just put up it. Mass into distance by time square. So we can write this mass for m, distance for L, and time for T minus 2. So for this is for this correct answer is guys option B. Let's see the second question guys. We know the pressure is equal to, force by area. So we know again force is equal to mass into acceleration by area. And again we know for the acceleration is equal to velocity by time, here area. So again we can write this mass into velocity means distance by time, again here on time, and area is below up there. So mass into distance for L, and for here these are double time, for this is a square, and area is equal to length into width, this is also L square. So we can write this properly: mass into L1 L minus 2 T minus 2. So we can write this m0 L minus 1 T minus 2. So for this correct answer is guys option B. For this correct answer is guys option B. We know the force is equal to G by m1 m2 by r square. So we know about the dimension of force m L T minus 2. Here G, m1 m2, these both are the mass, so m square, and r square, here r is length, so L square. So if substitute the G, so here m square for m, and here L cube T minus 2 and minus m inverse. So for this correct answer is guys option B. So here answer is m inverse L3 T minus 2 is equal to G. So for this correct answer is guys option B.